Bang! What's up, guys? It's your boy, Boss Noah, back at it again for another bang, for another banger video. For another banger video. Today is gonna be a full feature-length film. We're going to see these kittens that are out here at our grandma's house. Are you ready to go get them, Bo? Now get off your phone. Stupid.
Okay.
Get off the phone. Quit being gay. Let's get into the video. Okay, guys, we're outside right now, and if I am correct, aren't the kittens right over there, Bo? So are we gonna be able to get them, you think?
Go that way.
Why?
Don't look at me.
Why?
Go that way. Don't look at me.
What's over there?
That way.
Oh, are you going pee? Oh, okay. Hi, Yin Yang. This is our adult female cat, Yin Yang. She's really nice. And, yeah. Pile of hair right there. My mom probably swept out.
Wait.
Okay. Let's hop up on the porch first of all. What? Here, you take the phone. Take it. Take the phone, bro.
No, just stay right here real quick. Okay. So you can see. Oh, dang it. My freaking finger's in the way. Look. Right there. If it will stop being blurry, you can see right about.
Okay, come on, bro.
Oh, dang it. Violet's in the way.
Come here. Okay, we're good. Alright, come on.
No, stop.
Why? Can you, be quiet, bro? Like, if we just get up on the porch, try to see if they're still there. Oh, they're still sitting there. We can still grab one of them at least. Or maybe both of us can grab one.
Wait a second. I want to see if I can get wait. I'm watching Violet.
Why does it matter if Violet's there? She's not going to do anything.
Who's watching her?
Okay, well, come on. Hi, Yin Yang. Come on, Bo. Bo, get up here. One of them's moving. Why? Why? Cause who? Who? Who's gonna see me?
The kittens.
Bro, it's fine.
Oh, dang it.
Bro, it's fine. Okay, here's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to sneak up on the edge of the porch, okay? So, here's what I'm gonna do. You need to get up here too. Here, you wanna hold the phone so that you can try to video me? Here, Bo. Bo! Hold the phone. Bo. Fine. Okay. Yeah, well, you attract that one, and I'll get the other one. Come here, Bo. Bro, both of us have a chance to get one right here. It's not gonna come to you, bro. Stop food. Food. Food for all. Meow meow. Meow. Food for all. So Bo is currently down there. You probably can't see him. He's right there. Okay, well now you probably could, but change the POV. If you can see, they're sleeping right there. That's the ones I want to try to grab. Because there's 3 of them right there. We have a 1 out of 3 chance. Well, 2 out of 3 if me and Bo both go. Here, I'm coming down there to see those kittens. With Bo. The black one backed off, Bo. Hi, kitties. Look at them. They're so cute. That one's totally focused on me. Oh, there's another one. Here it comes, Bo. Oh. Grab it, Bo, grab it. Bo, you should have grabbed it. You can see there's another one right there. Hi, Yin Yang. They're all out. They're so cute. Bo, I can grab 2 of them if I go on top of the porch. I can, I know I can. So if you want me to, I can. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try to move light and just see if they don't see me.
No, you go over there by that.
Alright. We have a 2-way shot of catching them. We can either get the ones that are right here, or we can get the ones that are over there by Bo. Which one do you want me to grab one of them? Okay, I'll do that. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna set the phone down up here. Dude, you were that close. He almost just got one to come to him. See if his method works. Grab one of these. Another girl. Ouch. Ow. Ouchie. Wawa. Little girl. Guys, look. It's another girl. This one is a girl. It's okay. You're alright. See? Hey. You calm down. You calm down. Calm down. It's okay. You're alright. See? Look. See, look, there's Mama. Mama. Say hi, Mama. It's alright. See? I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move. Hey. Bo, do you really think you're gonna catch one of them? Okay. Bo, we got another girl here. I think I'm gonna let her go, and then I'm gonna try to catch one of those ones that are right there, okay? You want me to try to catch another one over here? Oh, okay. Well, all the ones over... Never mind, I can still catch them over here. Yeah, baby. Hold it up by that.
Hold it up against your chest. Because then your nose.
What? How should I hold it up, Bo?
Hold it up against your chest.
This thing's. Ow.
Put your hand under.
Hey. See? Ah. Don't. Please don't claw at me. I think this one's a boy. Ow.
No wonder it's so fast.
No. Ow. Ow. No wonder he's such a fire. Yin Yang, you just walk right on over. Okay, I'll do that. Come here.
Put him up against you.
Okay, so we have that black one that's a girl. I think I'm thinking that black one that's a girl. I'm thinking we name that one. I'm thinking we name that one Diana. And then the tiger boy, I think we name him I think we name him Thomas. You like it? Or Zach? How about Zach? Okay, Zach. So the tiger boy that I just caught, we're gonna name him Zach. And then the black girl that I also just caught, we're gonna name her Diana. So we have 3 kittens named. We have a white and gray one that we caught, that was a girl. We named that one Natasha. Then we just caught that black girl, and we named that one Diana. Then we just caught a tiger boy, and we named that one Thomas. So now I'm gonna go try to catch this other black and white one. This one's a little sweetheart. Look at it, Bo. It's all calm. You're alright. This one may be the same one. I think it is. Hold on. Spread your legs. With the tail. Yeah, this one's the girl. This one's Diana. Diana's a little softy. Look guys, this is Diana. Okay, I can't catch any more over there because all of them went away, so I'm going to put Diana back, and then I'm going to try to catch one of those, okay? Is that good with you? Alright. Give you a second. So again, guys, we have Natasha, Diana, and Thomas. I'm gonna try to catch one of these ones over here. I'm thinking I should try to get that tiger one that keeps coming out of you, though. You think so? Which one? The other tiger? Okay. Wait till what? Yin Yang? Go that way? Go that way? Bo, help. Help me. Help. You want me to bring him down there? Ow. Ow, kitty.
Don't break him. You can feel those.
Ow. Ow.
It's okay. He's not hurting you.
Yeah, but he's clawing me. That hurts. I'm bringing him to you as fast as I can. Hey, you man. Hey, you gotta check if that one's a boy or a girl. Get him calmed down in a sec, okay? I'm gonna see if I can catch another one. Where'd they all go? Oh, there's one.
A girl.
It's a girl? Okay, why don't we name that one? What should we name her? What do you think we should name it, though? Ooh, Lila. I like Lila. Okay, Lila, Zach, Diana, and Natasha. Huh. So only one boy, 3 girls.
There's a black one that has a white spot.
Come here, buddy. Whoa! That one's wild. That one's wild. That one is pretty wild, though. What about this one? That one is pretty wild, though. That one. Dude, when. Dude, like. Both of the freaking tiger ones I picked up freaking started kicking at me and clawing me with their back paws. And that one. Ugh, I don't even really want to deal with that one. Like, geez. Whew. You think it's good for me to come over? Just try to make sure it doesn't get away. Oh, shoot.
It's okay.
Bo, grab it, Bo.
It's fine.
Bo, grab it. It's gonna run. I want to pet it. Grab it. Bo, it's gonna run. It's gonna run. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
You're okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
So we named this one
Lila.
Lila. Hi, Lila.
It's okay, babies.
Get off my thing, Aunt.
It's okay.
Get off my
Okay,
phone.
I'm gonna let her go.
All right, here. You think you can hand her to me?
It's okay.
I just want to hold her. No, I want to hold her, Bo.
It's okay.
Bo, can I just hold her?
Look, no.
Here, I'll put her back.
Here, look. Just watch. Just watch.
Here, I'm gonna grab her.
No. Just watch for a second.
What do you want me to watch for?
Just look.
You think she's gonna crawl back onto you or something? Watch her, Bo. There she goes. Bo, grab her.
It's okay.
You need to grab her if she starts moving. Just grab her, Bo, and hand her to me, okay? Actually, maybe, nope, yep, grab her. Or maybe, okay, maybe grab her, yeah. Grab her, Bo. Nope, okay, maybe not. I'll tell you to grab her or not. Here, I can grab her from here.
It's okay now.
You already grabbed her.
It's fine.
Come here.
Dude, you already grabbed her. I was just letting her run around.
So, the two nice ones I think we have so far are maybe Lila and, what was the
Diana?
Yeah, Diana. And then the two, well, we don't really know if Natasha's mean or not. We do know that, what's his face?
Zach?
Zach's mean.
Zach, it's necessarily not that they're mean.
It's just
that.
like he's scared, but like
Yeah.
he's more timid than the rest.
Yeah.
Diana's definitely the most tame already because Diana just let me pick her up too. Fine.
Diana, I actually pet her the first time I came out here. She let me pet her.
Diana just knows.
Okay.
Let's put him back.
I'm gonna put it back right by you.
Yeah, no, I'll do it.
Because I want to let it know.
I'll do it. I want to carry it. But I want to carry it. Okay. Here, you video. Stand up and video. Literally just started nursing. Alright, here, here's my phone. Hold up.
Dang it. Come on. Straight to you.
Oh! Jeez, bro. Okay, guys. Well, everybody, that is going to be it for today's video. We caught, what, 3 kittens? We've caught 4 so far, but we caught 3 today. I mean, in this video. Today we caught 4 in total, but we have Natasha, which we don't actually know if Natasha's like mean, like how Peaches was yet. And we caught Diana. She's really nice. We caught Lila, which is pretty nice. And then we caught Zach, which is, I mean, he's Zach. Zach. But, yeah, make sure you like and subscribe down below if you aren't already. Leave a comment on this video if you can. I don't know if you can or not. I don't know what YouTube is doing. But, yeah, that's going to be it for me. I'm Boss Nell. I'll see you guys in the next video. It'll probably be another kitten catching video. Let's go inside, Bo. Come on, let's go. It's hot out here.